We have another older Honda CRV here. Typical Honda, sunburned on top. There you can see the passenger side here. Sunburn on the top corners. Hazed up on the faces. The driver's side is the same way. Depending if you catch it in time, sometimes the sunburn comes out on the top, sometimes it's permanent. These aren't that bad, they should come out. So here you go. Here's the finished product. When we're done with it, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that shine. Clarity. Yeah, here's another one. Broward Headlight Restoration. Look at this. 754-302-0769. We're located in Broward County. We come to you. Home office. We are 100% mobile. 754-302-0769.